Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we break down Forex trading strategies to help you make smarter decisions in the market. So in this particular video, we are going to be diving into one of the simplest yet most effective indicators that you can use, and that is none other than the moving average. Okay, but in this case we are dealing with the 2-period moving average, right? So if you're looking for an indicator to improve your market timing and enhance your strategies, then this video is a must watch for you. So stick around till the end because I've got some bonus tips on how to combine this indicator with others for even better results. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Okay, let's jump right in. So the moving average is an indicator that is used by a lot of traders. Okay, but now we are setting the moving average period to 2. Okay, so it's a 2-period moving average. All right, now it's one of the shortest term moving averages you can use. It's calculated by taking the average of the last 2 closing prices. All right, remember that the calculations done by the moving average depends on the settings. Okay, so when you apply to close, it uses the last 2 closing prices to find the average. All right, the last 2 because the period is set to 2. Okay, so it sounds simple, right? But don't let its simplicity to fool you. Okay, this indicator is quite effective when it comes to detecting short-term trends. All right, this indicator is for scalpers. This particular settings is for scalpers. All right, because a swing trader has no business with the 2-period. Okay, the 2-period is too small, right? But scalpers can use the 2-period on the 1-minute time frame. Okay, because it's so short term, the 2-period moving average reacts quickly to price changes, as we can see how the 2-period moving average literally follows price very closely, right? So it's a tool that can be beneficial for active traders. Okay, for traders looking for fast price movements and quick price movements. All right, so let's quickly break down how to calculate the moving average for any given period. Okay, you take the closing price of the last 2 candles, right? The last 2 candles, and you add them together, and then you divide by 2. It's as easy as that. For example, if the last 2 closing prices were where's our OHLC? See the OHLC, the open, high, low, close prices is what we're going to look at now. So the close price here we have 0.64841 and the other 0.64842. So if we are going to find the average manually, that means we have to add those 2 prices and divide by 2, and there you have the average. So the indicator automatically does the calculation for you, so you don't necessarily need to do it manually. All right, you just need to add the indicator to your chart, adjust the settings to 2 periods, and then there you go. Now that you know how it works, let us talk about how to use it. All right, the 2-period moving average is especially useful for identifying short-term momentum. For example, if the price is consistently trading above the 2-period moving average, emphasis on short-term momentum. All right, if you have the price consistently trading above the 2-period moving average, like what we see happening here, we can see that it happened here and it happened here again, it shows bullish momentum. All right. On the other hand, if the price is trading consistently below the 2-period moving average, it shows a bearish momentum. All right. So because it is a fast moving indicator, you would want to combine it with other tools like support and resistance levels and trend lines in order to avoid false signals. So as a scalper who is looking for fast price movements, quick opportunities in and out, right? When you are making use of this 2-period indicator, I recommend adding support and resistance levels in order to guide your decisions as well. All right. So, for example, whenever you find the price break out from a key level, right? This is quite an easy strategy. Whenever you find price break out from a key level, like here, the price broke out from this support. This is the 1 minute time frame. I recommend using the 2-period MA on the 1 minute time frame. All right. So when you have price break out from a key support, there is likely going to be some significant bearish momentum, and then you will see that the 2-period MA is going to confirm that because of how price will consistently be trading below it. So it's an opportunity to scalp a sell quickly. Enter a sell, you ride the momentum, and when you have a candle close above the 2-period moving average, once price closes above it, for example, this was where price closed above it, then you would have exited your sell around here. Okay, so it's a scalping strategy, right? Then let us look at this buy example. Once you have price break above a key level, for example, broke above this resistance zone, you can enter a buy as price was trading above, it was continuously closing, actually closing above the 2-period moving average. Then when the price finally closed below the moving average, that would have been a time to exit your buy. So you would have exited around here, right? Now, here's where the 2-period moving average really shines, combining it with other indicators. For example, you can actually decide to pair the 2-period moving average with the RSI, just to get additional confirmations, right? So whenever you have that breakout in one direction, look at the RSI in order to get an idea of how strong the momentum is. So you can see that the RSI value was still around here, not too far from the oversold territory. So there was still some space till the overbought. And when the RSI entered overbought, it was a sign that as a scalper, of course, you should consider exiting. So it was around that same point where the price got to this resistance that RSI entered overbought territory. So this would have been a great place to exit our buy trade, right? And then in the case of that sell example, you can see almost the same thing. RSI showed a sell momentum trending downwards, and then it entered oversold territory around here. And then finally at this point, when it's tipped to the 30 level, to the sign to exit your sell. All right. So the 2-period moving average might be simple, but it's quite an effective indicator for traders who know how to use it, right? By understanding its signals and combining it with other indicators, you can create a strategy that is precise. Okay. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments, have you used the 2-period moving average before, or do you have a favorite moving average strategy? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy trading.